Before their divorce, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard had a very close relationship. All hail Cupid, who in 2011 on the red carpet of the Rum Diary, Cronach of a Passion, in which both actors have performed, snatched away his charm, launching one of history's most talked about love stories between the mysterious Johnny Depp and the beautiful Amber Heard. Not just for the strong feeling that has connected them, between the division of their efforts, their shared vintage spirit, and their broken engagement, but also for the clamor that the dual Depp-Heard proceedings have sparked since their divorce ended up to this day. Here is a description of the two actors, until the unstoppable decline of the couple that has already been made into a movie. She is one of the most captivating and contentious actors in big-budget cinema, a rising star with a beauty from bygone eras. In 2011, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard met for the first time, completely unaware of what would later become a huge hit. To meet them on the Rum Diary, Cronach of a Passion's red carpet, it wasn't just physical attraction that drew people together, it was also the perfect union of desires and passions, including love for literature, the arts, and poetry, as well as a life that could be considered vintage. Depp and Vanessa Paradis, the mother of his two children Lily Rose and Jack John Christopher, were forced to experience the beginning of their relationship in complete secrecy. Instead, Amber was a frequent subject of photographer Tassia Van Ree. Their romance blossomed in April 2013 when the two were photographed holding hands at a Rolling Stones concert. Despite the two being roughly 23 years apart in age, what is perceived as a true and authentic modern love affair would soon come to fruition when, on February 13, 2014, a few weeks prior to the news of a marriage at the door becoming public knowledge, Heard is photographed with a fidanzamento ring in her right hand. The couple Depp-Heard get married in a civil ceremony in Los Angeles on February 3, 2015, then in a lavish second ceremony held on Depp's private island in the Bahamas, putting an end to rumors that their strained relationship will continue. It's a passion that Johnny Depp and his wife Amber Heard share, one that has caused them to fight until they finally gave up. Only 15 months after their intended double marriage, the couple really announces their separation due to relationship incongruences. To put the emphasis on the one might consider the Austin-born actress who unexpectedly draws public attention while easing the pace of the divorce rumors. According to Heard, the couple's life together would have been anything from straightforward, given that the actress had been the victim of domestic violence and other abuse from the actor. However, the couple appears to be able to reach a quadra relatively easily when the divorce is finally finalized in January 2017 after having cost over $7 million in dollars. The question, which appeared to have been put to rest, resurfaces in March 2019 when Jack Sparrow, in the Parody of the Caribbean series, names his ex-wife and life partner from 2011 to 2016, accusing her of defamation. Depp maintains that Heard injured his image, publishing a rebuttal article in the Washington Post in 2018, whereby she accuses her ex-husband of being aggressive and a picchiator di moglie, along with other serious and significant hints. That is the start of the so-called process of horrors, which began on April 11, 2022, and is being conducted over a period of months with a novel media exhibition. The two actors engage in a protracted and slow-moving fight in which they become increasingly dependent on physical, emotional, and mental abuse that occurred during their relationship. The legal process came to an end on July 1, 2022, when the Fairfax County Court in Virginia declared Depp the winner of the case and ordered Heard to pay the actor $10 million in restitution for the harm she had caused. Could a judicial case that has piqued public interest for months on social media, television news shows, and television theaters not be made into a movie? It is known as Hot Take, the Depp-Heard trial, the lengthy drama that resumes telling the story of the intense and turbulent love story between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. From marriage to divorce with several allegations of domestic violence from the ex-spouse, to the lawsuit filed by a former Hollywood actor against Austin's actress for defamation following the infamous article published in the Washington Post. The Depp-Heard trial is already available to watch after being broadcast on Fox's streaming service Tubi on the previous 30th of September. Sarah Lohman directed and Guy Nicolucci wrote the script. Mark Hapka and Megan Davis play the main characters in the movie about the legal system, while Melissa Marty plays Depp's attorney Camille Vasquez and Mary Carring, Heard's attorney Elaine Bredehoff.